Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to another revision session. So today we are going to do mathematics. Today we are going to do mathematics, and we are going to talk about multiplication and repeated addition. Okay? We would have done that before. Okay? We would have done that before. But to start today's lesson, we are going to try to dissect a problem. We are going to try to dissect a problem. Kayla plants seedlings in the garden. She plants 2 rows with 6 seedlings in each row. How many seedlings does Kayla plant? So Kayla plants seedlings in the garden. She plants 2 rows with 6 seedlings in each row. How many seedlings does she plant? So tell me, how would we find out how many sets we would have to make? Okay, so we'll find out how many sets we have to make by the number of rows that she has to plant. And how many rows she has to plant? How many rows did she plant? 2 rows. She planted 2 rows. Okay? So we have to make 2 sets. We have to make 2 sets. Set 1 and set 2. Row 1 and row 2. And how much seedlings did she put in a row? How much did she put in each row? 6. She put how much in each row? 6. Okay, so let us put our 6 seedlings in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. But then how would we know how much she planted in all? Or how much she planted in total? Or how much she planted in total? What do we have to do? Very good. We can add to find out. Or there is another thing that we can do. Or we can multiply to find out how many seedlings Kayla planted. Okay? So, how many sets do we have? How many sets? We have 2 sets. Very good. We have 2 sets. And how many do we have in each set? How many do we have in each set? 6. So we have 6 in each set. Very good. And now we're going to add. But what do I have to add? I have to add the number in each set. And how many sets do we have? Let's see. 1 set, 2 sets. So we have to add something plus something is equal to something. And what it is that I am going to add there? 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Very good. Let's just count to make sure we got 12. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. But now we would have add to get the answer, but we can also multiply to get the answer. And we said something multiplied by something is equal to something. And remember, the last time when we did the lesson, we found out that when we add the answer we get and when we multiply, the answer is always the same. So we know if we make a mistake or not. But what do I have to put here? The number of sets. Very good. And the number of sets is 2. So I have to put 2 multiplied by the number in each set. Very good. So 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Awesome. Okay, very good. Now, we are going to try another one. Okay? But before we try the other one, Kayla would have planted how many seedlings? She would have planted 12 seedlings in all. She would have planted 12 seedlings in all. Okay? So I'm going to draw. Remember, you use your ruler so you can draw your straight lines. So you can draw your straight lines. So now you are going to tell me how much sets we have there. You are also going to tell me how much we have in each set and how many times do we have to add and how we have to multiply. So how many sets do we have here? Very good. We have 3 sets. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sets. And how much in each set? You're not seeing anything. That's right, there is nothing in each set. So we have 0. So now we are going to do repeated addition to find out the answer. So how many times do I have to add? 3 times. How do you know that? Because we have 3 sets. So we have to add something plus something plus something is equal to something. Okay? And what do I have to put here? The number in the set. And how much is in the set again? 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Very good. And now we say we can do the repeated addition and we can also multiply. Okay? So we have to multiply. Something multiplied by something gives us something. So what do I have to put here again? The number in each set? Oh, you're right. No, not the number in each set. I have to put the number of sets. And the number of sets is 3. And how much in each set? Very good. 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. Awesome. And remember, any number you multiply, anytime you multiply a number by 0, it is always 0. Okay? So now I'm going to give you one for you to try. You can use your counters. You can use your counters to help you. Okay? You can use your counters to help you to try out this one. Alright? So at this stage you can pause your video so you can go right ahead and try to work it out. Okay? Very good. So I think that you are finished now. So let us see what we got for our answer. Okay? Let us see what we got for our answer. So when we look, how many sets do we see there? How many sets? 4. You sure right. Let's count it. 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets. Awesome. So we have 4 sets there. And how much do we have in each set? So we have 4 sets there. And how much do we have in each set? 3. Are you sure? Let us see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you have to remember that our sets must always be equal. It must always have the same amount, especially when we are sharing a number. It must have the same amount. So we have 3 in each set. So let us do our 4 sets. And we're going to put our 3 in each set. So we'll have some invisible sets here. 1, 2, 3. Set 1. 1, 2, 3. Set 2. 1, 2, 3. Set 3. And 1, 2, 3. Set 4. So we have our 4 sets here. So let us count to see how much we get in our sets. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what did we do to get the 12? We added. Very good. So what numbers do I have to put? What number do I have to put here? The 3. Why do I have to put the 3 there? Because that's the number that is in each set, and we have to add the amount in each set in order to give us our answer. Awesome. So it will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to something. And when we did it, what did we get again? Let's try adding again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. And 12 is a 1 and a 2. Great job. Now we have to multiply. And remember, when we multiply, it makes things easier for us because we don't have to write something plus something plus something plus something. We just have to know what again? The number of sets and the number in each set. Awesome. And how much sets do we have? We have 4 sets. And how much in each set? 3. And if we look here, we can see it, that we have 4 sets. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. And each set has 3. Each set has 3. So if we multiply 4 multiplied by 3, we'll equal to 12. Very good. And remember, we always say when we do the repeated addition and multiply, our 2 answers supposed to be the same. It's supposed to be the same. Very good. Now we are going to try one more. Okay? So let us try. 2 multiply by 6 is equal to something. Let us change this number here to 3. 3 multiply by 6 is equal to something. So what is the first thing we have to do? Oh, we have to know how many sets we have to draw. So how many sets do we have to draw? We have to draw 3 sets. We have to draw 3 sets. Very good. And how much do we have to put in each set? We have to put 6 in each set. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So we have how many sets? We have 3 sets. And how much in each set? How much in each set? We have 6 in each set. So now we have to do our repeated addition. Now we have to add. So how much times do we have to add? 3 times. Why? Because we have 3 sets. Very good. And what are we going to add? Awesome. The number in each set. So we're going to add 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to something. So let us count and see how much we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Awesome. And now we are going to multiply. Okay? We are going to multiply. So we're multiplying something multiplied by something equals to something. And what do we have to put here again? The number of sets. And we had 3 sets. And here we're putting how much is in set. Is in each set. So it's 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Very good. And once we add the numbers in our sets, we should get the 18. So let's just add it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. You did an awesome job. Okay? So now I'm going to give you one more to try on your own. And then you would try some all by yourself at home. Okay? So I'm just going to give you one for you to try out. And then you'll try some on your own. You'll try some on your own. Okay? How many sets do you see there? See 4 sets. Alright, this one is for you to try on your own. Okay? This one is for you to try on your own. Very good. And then you'll try some on your own, and please send your answers to me. And then I'll correct them and I'll send them back to you. Okay? So, have yourselves a wonderful day and continue to enjoy your homeschooling. So once again,